In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to GoDaddy Website Builder. If your site is hosted with GoDaddy and managed through WordPress, the fastest, most reliable way to connect Google Analytics 4 and view insights right inside your dashboard is by using the official Site Kit by Google plugin. This approach keeps everything in one place, avoids manual code pasting, and gives you built-in reports without extra setup. Start in your WordPress dashboard with an administrator account. From the left menu, go to Plugins and choose Add New. In the search bar, type SiteKit by Google. You're looking for the plugin published by Google. It should be clearly marked, highly rated, and widely used. When you find it, click Install, and once it finishes, click Activate. That's the entire installation, and it only takes a moment on most GoDaddy setups. Right after activation, you'll see a prompt in your dashboard to begin. Click the Start Setup button that appears. This launches SiteKit's guided onboarding, which is designed to connect your site to Google services in just a few clicks. The wizard handles the heavy lifting for you so you don't have to paste tracking codes or edit theme files. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, stay in the same browser tab, and let the tool confirm your site and link to analytics. If your browser uses aggressive pop-up or tracker blocking, temporarily allow the prompts so the setup can complete smoothly. Once you finish the setup, SiteKit will place the GA4 tag for you and begin collecting data. You'll get a new section in your WordPress dashboard with easy-to-read reports, including traffic trends, top pages, and user engagement. Real-time data can appear within minutes, while other reports may take a bit longer to populate. If you don't see data right away, give it some time and check back later the same day. A few quick tips can help everything go smoothly. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account before you begin, especially if you manage multiple properties. Confirm that you have administrator access in WordPress so you can install and activate plugins. If the Start Setup prompt doesn't show up immediately, refresh your dashboard and look for the SiteKit menu on the left. That's all there is to it. You installed SiteKit by Google, activated it, and clicked Start Setup to connect GA4. With that done, you can track performance and make smarter decisions, all without leaving your WordPress dashboard.